What's up, guys? Today we're gonna play Wacky Wizards. Okay, so I got my NPC here. Let's test out some things. Okay, first, how to make a golden potion. First, if you have Robux, put out your Robux. Then put it in the ingredient in the cauldron. Then use the fairy to also put that. Now you get a golden statue. Okay, golden potion. Marvin. I'm lagging. Okay, Marvin, here. Okay. He is now golden but still follows me. That's just weird. Okay, but... Oh, it's not mine. But... This is an easy part. How to make a firework. Okay, and first you take a pool noodle. Then you take a dynamite. So yeah. Firework. Okay. If I try on Marvin, he will stay still but pretends to be on fire.
What's happening?
Look, okay, look. He's still here. And he exploded. Okay, now I want to try it, but with ragdolled. I just died instantly. And my torso just ripped off. Okay, now and then... Done. Okay, now you are carried by a fire. Okay, now you get exploded. Okay, now this is how you do a firewalking potion. In this video, we're gonna do all the potions I know in my potion book. So first you need chili and a bird. Then you will get a firewalking. Okay, check this out. I'm gonna do the craziest thing ever. Okay, where's my jump? Why do I don't jump? I don't jump! Come on. Are you kidding me? Wait, I need to reset. Okay, now we can try. Okay, fireworking. Okay. Drop item. Why can't I jump? That's weird. Okay, now we get enough of that. Now. Okay, now we can do a floating head potion. First you need a brain. Then you need a bird. Okay, floating head. Headless potion. Okay, look at this. Okay, now my head is floating. Okay, now my head is floating. Now I look like Headless. And if I teleport to my cauldron, my body will be faster. Okay, now let's try a different potion. Like, I don't know. Now let's try with bean. First this. Now we can put a bird. Oh, that does nothing, I forgot. Okay, first we need a bean. Then we need a dynamite. Pop. Okay, a popping potion. This is how you make popping potion. Huh. My head is all that's left. Okay. So that's how all of it you do. All of the potions I know. Only some of the potions, okay? So, I guess see you in the next video. Bye!